disrupt the Thousand Suns' plans at the Cathedral. Seek out Major Kivar of the 22nd Company on the battlefield. Compel the Xenos. Eradicate the traitor forces in opposition. We can't hold the line, Captain. Commander, this is Squad Viridian of the Ultramarines chapter. Identify yourself. Ultramarines. Praise the Emperor. The Xenos are on us so fast. They tore right through us. Where will we find Major Kivar? The Xenos got him. Major Kivar is gone. Transferred command to me. I am Commander Hotel, 22nd Company. It is my duty to secure the Cathedral Gate Station as our fallback point. Focus fire and stand fast, Commander. We are on our way.
Servants of the dark gods! Dead. Rid yourselves against the public influence brothers. Cast your attention to the Zandor Spearmen. Victory goes to the righteous. End the thunder! Reloading! Parade! Punish them! Swapping magazine! Replacing, do not let that one come to reinforcement! This place crawls with Xenos abominations. Lavender underfoot! Ready to reveal our foes. Reloading! The Xenos infestation is stemmed for now. Reloading magazine! Order returns to the very soul. Blessed be this magazine! Even the champion will stand no chance. Swapping magazine!
Into the fray, Viridian.
Fan out, brothers! That pitiful Xenos, but an abhorrent blight. Replacing holy ornaments. Purge with fire in his name. They send their strongest, only to see them falter. Auspex primed. Replacing holy ordnance. This sector is cleansed of Tyranid presence. Another alien falls to the Imperium's keen blade. Ready to stand. Even their champions stand no chance. Swapping magazine. But none shall come. Blockage is no more. Ends the foe before he can rally. Behold the true horror of heresy. This taint has been purged.
Clear a path to the gate station.
Replacing holy ordnance. Ground shakes with fear slurs. The enemy summons support. The only aid for this build will be their cleansing. The loathsome burrower is destroyed. magazine! Terminator! No heretic shall find these dead foes push to overwhelm us! Stop them! Suffer not the Xenos to live! Destroy those minds! Drift back to your dark masters, you malevolent fiend! Commencing Auspex scan. Reloading. Throw the witch eye upon the iron. Is this the glory?
Gargoyles are attacking the generators! We have a quarter of the energy we need! Xenos attack the Lambda generators! Damage generator in the Lambda sector! Drive them out! Power reservoir at 50% capacity!
The armory provides.
75% power! Tyranids are swarming the generators near the gates!
Reloading magazine. Swapping magazine.
Only need a sliver more! The gates are shutting!
Reloading magazine.
Confirmed. Rendezvous with Brother Vultus near the cathedral.
We must slay this hellspawn. Replacing holy ordnance. monstrosity to expunge. Reloading. Xenos mines. That pitiful Xenos was but an orange blight. Replacing holy orders. Your tricks could not best us, witch beast. Scanning. Reloading magazine. Tyranny canker sighted. Another alien falls to the Imperium's key flame. Traitors scum do not deserve mercy. Blessed be this magazine. Never hesitate in fulfilling his will. It is renewal given form. Auspex primed.
Behold our venerable brother.
Swapping magazine. Now the raw wounds. It is as grotesque dead as it was alive. Reloading. Even their champions stand. Blessed be this magazine. The Xenos infestation is stemmed from now. Our enemy cannot hide from our Scarab cult killed. Vile enemies from its haunts. Reloading. Sorcery is afoot. A traitor taste the Imperial's justice. Take your rightful place at the end of my blade, witch. Ready to reveal our foes. Replacing holy orders. His will. Traitorous scum do not deserve mercy or death. My war gear is satisfied. Victor, aims the foe before he can rally. The artillery race. Show them annihilation. Behold, the true horror of heresy. Xenos will have their stuff out. Reloading. Even their champion stands a chance. The heretic lies defeated. Reloading magazine. This taint has been purged. All specs ready to stand. In death, the Dark God shall show these heretics only further torment. Good.
We must find another way to the cathedral. No paltry obstruction. Stay my hand. Aye, Gilliman. The path is clear.
The Xenos infestation is stemmed for now. Replacing holy order. Do not let that one come to reinforce. We have silenced their fourth way. Another alien falls to the flame. Fluorescent. Let us march unhindered.
Sorcery problem is my focus. I will take care of the main barrier. As you will it, ancient brother. We will defend you. Suppressing fire. Keep them away from the Redemptor. Heretical treachery cannot withstand righteous ceremonies. The traitors are crippling my systems. We need to draw fire away from our brother. Emergency powers of my protocol. Complete. Significant damage sustained. We need to draw fire away from our brother.
The armory provides. the ordnance.
We need to draw fire away from our brother.
Reloading. Burn the wench.
Draw fire away from our brother. We need to draw fire away from our brother.
Prostate Terminator prime. Swapping magazine. Do not let that one come to reinforcement.
We need to draw fire away from our brother.
Haunted and broken. 1,000 suns tasted.
The traitors are crippling my systems. We need to draw fire away from our brother.
Blessed be this magazine.
Satellite plating impaired. I am taking too much damage. We need to draw fire away from our brother.
Reloading magazine.
Sustaining incapacitating damage. We need to draw fire away from our brother. My hatred for the heretics pushes me onward. Significant damage sustained. We need to draw fire away from our brother.
Prospects primed. Reloading magazine. Commencing Auspex scan.
I will not be thwarted this day. Sustaining incapacitating damage. We need to draw fire away from our brother.
Blessed be this magazine. A heretic turtle. Sunken with righteous fury. Profane sorcery. ready to reveal us.
Summoners plating him bad. I am taking too much damage. We need to draw fire away from our brother. No targets remain. Tapping reactor. Pulling margins in power. The spell returns. I am breaking through.
My war gear is satisfied. Reloading.
Let nothing stand in my way. Nothing can stand in the way of such overwhelming strength. Demon engine. Balefire will engulf us if we advance. Its beautiful breath cannot harm me. You defile this center. I smite you back to the abyss. A fine kill. Now we must reach the cathedral.
Ultramarines, praise the Emperor!
Unknown box communicator. Identify yourself.
This is Archdeacon Zonir. I am hidden inside the cathedral. Heretics stormed this sanctum and slaughtered my garrison of Cadians for their dark rituals. Acadian troops left behind heavy explosives. Alas, they never got to use them against the archenemy.
Blessed be this magazine.
Viridian, gather the explosive charges and place them. Traitors draw near. I will destroy any metal. Try an explosive charge. Face me. Secure the explosives and place them where the structure is weakest. Blasting charges in position. I have found a mine.
Shock grenade! Target that demon core! Terminator! No heretic shall find peace today! Reloading! Is this the glory Magnus promised you?
It is imperative that we place the charges. Are the explosives in place? Plant the explosive charges at once.
Enhanced visuals incoming.
explosive charges at once.
Reloading. Prospects primed. Replacing holy ordnance.
It is imperative that we place the charges. Are the explosives in place? Plant the explosive charges at once.
Cast this desecrated sanctorium down. Bury these heretics, so they never see starlight again.
Trigger the charges and advance to the egress point before the cathedral falls. Twist. Follow me, my wake, and you survive this day.
I am grateful for your offer, Ancient One, but my place is here. I will speak prayers of consecration over the cathedral's final moments.
The Archdeacon has chosen her. You must contain the heretic onslaught until the charges detonate.